Hi guys, today I will learn about how to earn money from cryptocurrency. Best ways to make money with cryptocurrencies. Number one, stacking. Stacking refers to the process of investing or locking up your funds in Bitcoin, earning new cryptocurrencies in the form of it. Number two, buying and hodling. Number three, trading. Number four, investing. Number five, bonus coins tokens. Number six, raffle. Number seven, sale for cryptocurrencies. Number eight, dividends. Dividend. Then number trainer ways of how to make money with cryptocurrency. Way one, buy order. This is most common way of earning money from cryptocurrency. Most investors buy coins, Bitcoin, Litecoin, etc. The main guide to making money from Bitcoin and crypto 2000. Two main ways to make money buying cryptocurrency directly, Bitcoin and currency mining, cloud mining, day trading. How to make cryptocurrency your ultimate guide. To make money online trading cryptocurrency, investors can either buy cryptocurrency or use derivatives instead, such as contracts. How to make money with Bitcoin in 2021 tax full law. One, number one, mining. Number two, buying and holding. Number three, trading. Number four, taking advantage of affiliate marketing. Number five, accepting Bitcoin as payment. Number six, use Bitcoin pocket. How to earn cryptocurrency? Well, safe and affordable method. Well, method to safely earn cryptocurrency: buying. Number one, buying. Number two, mining. Number three, number four, definitely yield farming. Number five, airdrops. Number six, micro tasks. Number seven, freelancing. Number eight, crypto payments, etc. A beginner guide to earning passive income with cryptocurrency. What are the way you earn passive income with crypto mining, staking, lending, running a lightning node, affiliate program, master node, fork, etc. How to make money with cryptocurrencies? Three proven ways. Three ways to make money with cryptocurrency. Number one, buy or trade a cryptocurrency. Your first option is to just buy coins, second, accept payment. How to start your cryptocurrency trading in 2020? What stop beginner from making in income? Can a beginner make money trading in cryptocurrency? Trading in cryptocurrency can make a huge profit. Which cryptocurrency will explode in 2020? Ethereum. After Bitcoin, After Bitcoin, Ethereum is most likely next cryptocurrency to explode in 2000. What is the best cryptocurrency in what is the best cryptocurrency to invest in 2021? Best cryptocurrency to buy in 2021? Bitcoin. The king of all cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is the first of its kind, have the highest liquidity value. Litecoin forms second on our list because of its market capital and liquidity value. Ethereum, Cardano, Binance Coin, Ripple, Dogecoin, Tron. $4 Bitcoin make money in 2021. 7 ways to make money with Bitcoin in 2021. Trading. Let's start with the hardest but the most profitable: investing, crypto, stocks, mining, with lending, staking, yield farming, most on the Bitcoin chain. Is it profitable to mine Bitcoin in 2021? Is Bitcoin mining profitable or worth it in 2021? The short answer is yes. The long answer is complicated. Bitcoin mining began as a well-paid hobby for early adopters who had the chance to earn 50 BTC every 10 minutes mining from their bed. Can you get rich from cryptocurrency? Investing in crypto can potentially be lucrative, especially if you invest the right time. If you had invested $1,000 in Bitcoin, crypto BTC, and decade ago, for example, you have more than $15 million today, assuming you held your investment and did not sell that time period. Next, how to make money with Bitcoin in 2021. Easy way to make money with Bitcoin in 2021. Number one, trading. Number two, investing. Number three, crypto airdrops or mining Bitcoin. Number five, lending. Number six, stacking. Seven, yield. The anatomy of cryptocurrency. Six ways to earn with cryptocurrency. The anatomy of cryptocurrency. Ways to earn with crypto in 2021 by Hodl. Cryptocurrency dividends. Cryptocurrency stacking. Top ways to earn free cryptocurrency in 2021. Top ways to Simon Charter, writer of Crypto Vantage. Cryptocurrency is everywhere those days. How to make money with Bitcoin in 2021. How to make money with Bitcoin in 2021. So number one, mining. Number two, buying and holding. Number three, trading, taking advantage of affiliate marketing. The best way to make money on this cryptocurrency today, as big as Bitcoin seems for secure, I generated just $75 million in gross profit in the first quarter of 2021 compared to $964 million of gross